us. So before we go ahead, what would you like to say? So you are also one of the captain of the team who are playing at Brookfield Premier League. What would you like to say? We've got two teams. Few words for them. Few words for them.
So I would just like to start with Gladiator. So they played really well. I've seen them in last year. So I have told this thing to Shiva also that like the way they have played this season, it's fantabulous, right? And the leap, like heads off to Langalon. Like I forgot her name. Sorry, if I pronounce it wrong. But they played, they're playing really well, and we are really scared, to play against your team, right? So let's see.
But also one thing I want to say about this team, top order, the way they come. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है that Virat and Rohit Sharma are there with a good partnership. Muthu and Elango, one of the highest, they've built one of the highest partnership in this whole season. Well done, guys. Now it's time for the player of the match, and it goes. Any guesses who's that guy? Acha, according to you, whom should I give? I've got two names: Prem and Elango. Acha, Raj. Everyone, Raju bhai, zindabad. But here we've decided, we had two names in the mind, and we decided to go with the player who has given an overall contribution to this match. And this goes to the gentleman who has scored 19 runs with 3 wickets. Let's give it up for my brother, Elango. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Elango, could you come back for a second out here in the camera? So you have to say it in Tamil, I'll say it in English. Hana? So you just have to say it to your opponent team. Let's meet in the next match in Tamil. Let's meet in the next match in Tamil.
அடுத்த மேட்ச் கலக்குறோம்.
Looking in the camera with power. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go.
அடுத்த மேட்ச் கலக்குறோம்.
Hey! Thank you. Moving on to the match that is going on. Thank you. Well done. Great stuff. Moving on to the combox.
Thank you very much.
I usually stretch these presentations because today we've got a good time, and it makes me really feel happy. And the team that really owes a lot of appreciation, Gladiators. I think they've put a great match. They were playing with a good passion, and they're really good, man. Unfortunately, they were not able to make it to the next step of this game, but यादें बना के जा रही है ये टीम, और दिलों पे अपनी जगह बनाकर.
Yeah, very well said. It's not about the cricket game, it's about the sentiments and the expression, what you have and what you experienced in this season should be ended in something style, something passionate, and that's what Brookfield Gladiators has done a fantastic job. All the best for the next season, Brookfield Gladiators, and all the best, Leap Titans, for the next match. Coming back in this match, we have one more eliminator. Crest Digital taking up with DX United. News from the center. DX United won the toss. Elected to field first. They invited Crest Digital to bat. It's a very steady start. Good start from Harshad for only 4 runs conceded first over. That was a big shout to the umpire. There's no contact between bat and ball. Seven for no loss after 10 balls being bowled. Oh, looking for that slight touch. He's got that outside edge. Maybe. Let's see. Yes. That's why they go for it. 1 run. And that's played gone into the sky. Will get 1 run. And it will end of the over. 2 ओवर के बाद 9 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Once again, welcome back. अब थोड़ी सी राहत की सांस मिली है क्योंकि यहाँ पर धूप अब चली गई है, पड़ गया है छाव. A bit of sigh of relief from the hottest climate we have witnessed today in Mumbai. Two was gone, 9 runs. Is that Harshad once again? It's once again 1 over 4 and the energetic HD is back into the attack. Very sensible and that medium pace bowling attack. Look at the bowling. Oh, that's very good bowling. And that's how he read the batsman completely. Shorter pitch ball, variations, all we have seen throughout the tournament. And that's what DX United, one of the strongest contender. Oh, that's very good bowling. Swing and a miss. Shuffling bit. And looking to clear that long off and mid off. Yet another dot ball. Bit of shuffling and playing a cut shot at covers. Looking for that second run. Going for it. A chance at the non-striker end. And यहाँ पर पहुंच ही गए. जिस प्रकार से एफर्ट यहाँ पर फील्डर ने लगाया है. हर्षद, excellent effort. 100 marks for that effort. But Utni running, and that age doesn't matter. All matters what you are playing right now live. That's what the passion, dedication is on of this cricket. Absolutely great athleticism by the energetic HD. High in the air, chance. Oh, that a bit of misjudgment. Is that Mandar? Take skipper. Could be the chance for the catch. He can just step forward to take that comfortably. Could be the chance. He tried to take that bit of tough and being not able to judge properly. That's up and over, very well played over the covers. Only a single. So 18 on the board. We have the Sanjog continuing his bowling spell. That's high in the air. Is he taken? Yes. Well balanced. And finally, they got the first wicket. Excellent taken. A good running catch. Here you can see the action replay. Looking London, talking Tokyo. And almost at 20 meters to run for that catch and taken. लपक लिया है विकेट की पतन. विशाल, गुड कैच टेकन एट कवर्स. सो विशाल ने विशाल का आउट किया है, कैच पकड़ लपक लिया है. 11 रन 13 गेंद, 3.2 18 पर 1. Sunita comes down to the center. Oh yes, she got a run outside edge, off the mark, straight away with the single. There is something set up in the field. Let's see now for Crest Digital. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल पुल कर दिया, गेंद को गुल कर दिया है. मिलेंगे 1 रन. Steps forward and taken a single at mid-on region. Sanjog will bowl the last ball of his spell. 10 runs conceded, 1 wicket. Looking to swing as a big shout. Umpire signaling that wide, just going outside the off. और सारे फील्डर्स फ्रेम में. इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद. That's dot ball to end of the over. 4 ओवर के बाद 22 पर 1. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल coming up the 3 overs of the first inning. Let's see what DX United has something action plan to restrict for the big score for Crest Digital on the scoreboard. Is that skipper Mandar? Yes, into the bowling attack. We have a fielder at long off, very much wide. Long on fielder. And played at square leg for a single. Sunita back on strike. और यहां पर प्रेशर स्ट्रैटेजी की कोशिश. Just losing his momentum, going down the leg side, wide. Trying to swing the bat across the line. She didn't get the connection to plate. Swing and a miss once again. Third umpire refer for the stumping. Stumping के लिए referred by Mr. Deva from square leg. That's very good bowling, and let's see if she is bit outside the crease or and waiting for the confirmation. All is happening here at the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 6, and this is the last match of the day. The qualifier stage is on, and that's out given. Good work by the wicketkeeper Smart work behind the stumps. Sunita departs. The new batter joins. Oh, try to stop that in covers. Coming back for two. Direct hit at the strikers and trying to hit. Good throw there. The new batter Aniruddha Sharma. And that's end of the over. Dot ball to end of the over. 5 ओवर के बाद 26 पे 2. Crest Digital. Coming up the last 2 overs in the power play. And now signal by the umpire. One fielder at either long off or long on. It's a new bowling attack. Shashank steps forward, looking to play at onside across the line, but going outside the off-jump line for wide. No connection. Good comeback by Shashank. And we have seen if you play in this turf as the overarm bowling attack as we are watching. If you're a medium pacer, it's your game. You can easily read the batsman, change the bowling variation and get the batter under pressure. Oh, good effort by the fielder, mid-on fielder to stop that. Will they come back for two? Only a single. जिस प्रकार से इस क्रिकेट का खेल हमें देखने मिला है, 5 दिन में 6ठा दिन है जारी ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025 पूरी तरह से सारे प्लेयर्स ने जो अपना प्रदर्शन दिखाया है काबिल तारीफ. Oh, waited for the ball to bounce and cut away nicely, going back foot over the fielder. Single taken, 29 for 2 after 5.3. High in the air and taken. Gone. Wicket number 3rd for Crest Digital. यही है मौका, यही है दस्तूर, जुनून जलवा है भारी. क्या यहाँ पे नाश्ता में खाया था बटर खारी? Good catch taken by Sanjog. 29 for 3 after 5.4. Here the new batter, Gyan, comes down to the center. That's a good strike. They will go for 2 for sure. They're going for 3, but no, sent back. Off the mark with the 2 runs. Gyan, first ball. 31 for 3. Steps forward, tossed up delivery. Played at mid wicket for single. Is that end of the over? 6 ओवर के बाद 32 पे 3. Crest Digital. That's a very good bowling performance from DX United.
Yes, I think this is going to be neck to neck. Muqabla. And the very exciting one. But you know what? कहानी लिख रहा है भाई Brookfield Premier League Season 5. Every match has been really interesting. I don't know how many of you all are listening to us. This is for all the viewers. I think you should go back to the day one and watch all the matches. I'm sure you people will be entertained and your love for cricket will even go higher.
Yes, absolutely, and especially that the tie match between PL Panthers and Crest Digital. That was the moment of the tournament because it's like one run and they got that 4 wickets back to back. और जैसे आपने कहा प्रेजेंटेशन में कि इतना मतलब सस्पेंस किसी मूवी में भी नहीं होता है, वैसा ही कुछ देखने मिला था उस मैच में. इस बार हवा में गेंद, मौका है, सेफ लैंडिंग. दूसरे रन के लिए लगाई है दौड़. क्या ये 2 रन मिला है बट 1 रन शॉर्ट है. दैट्स अ सिग्नल बाय द अंपायर. ओनली 1 रन.
Will that be a catch? It's on the no man's land. Energetic Harshad behind the ball. 1 run. Will that be a wicket? Waiting for umpire. And the ground umpires have transferred that decision to the third umpire. Well, what a beautiful set of fielding by Energetic HD. Full power. Well, this is going to be the last match of day 6. और कल है finals.
यस, 7वां दिन. वो कहते हैं 7 समुंदर पार का वाइब होगा. 7वां दिन होगा, कुछ अनोखा होगा और कुछ और होगा. मजा आने वाला है बहुत इस मैच के बाद. और हो गए कुछ 3 घमासान युद्ध मैच और फाइनल टिकट पर ऑलरेडी प्रवेश कर चुकी है पीएल पैंथर्स. अब इंतजार है वो एक फाइनलिस्ट कौन जुड़ेगा पीआईएल पैंथर्स के साथ. एंड दैट्स OUT आउट. That's straight up in the air, but it went into the sky. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. 6 up. All the kids are watching, they will relate for sure. That's a big one. That's a biggie. From Sandeep Verma. आखिरी गेंद पहली पारी. कुछ तो यहाँ पर करेंगे धमाल, कुछ तो किया है कमाल. और एक शॉट मारने की कोशिश, बट लेट्स सी, ओनली अ सिंगल. Looking for the run, and that will be counted as a run out. Sandeep gone. So 7 ओवर का खेल खत्म, 43 for 5. 44 रन की दरकार है. अब देखना होगा क्रेस्ट या डीएक्स यूनाइटेड की सरकार. Stay tuned to watch the game of cricket. The target to chase of 43 to win, to qualify for the next match. Here you can see on the big screen 11, 6, 1, 3, 6, 7. That's contribution by every batter from Crest Chargers aka Crest Digital. 4 extras, 6.14 के औसत से रन बने हैं और 7 ओवर 43 पे 5. बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन रहा है इस मैच में और जिस प्रकार से बॉलिंग की है, बॉलिंग स्कोर कार्ड देखना होगा. सो ये एलिमिनेटर मैच है जारी, आज का ये आखिरी मैच, और जीत है वो 44 रन की. 44 रन का लक्ष्य मिला है. And let's see the bowling scorecard. और यहां पर तब तक लेंगे छोटा सा ब्रेक, लेकिन आप कहीं मत जाएगा दोस्तों. यहां पर अब मौसम बहुत रोमांचक हो गया है और कल मौसम बहुत ही डबल रोमांचक घातक होने वाला है. Talking about the bowling, Harshad 2 over 11, Sanjog 2 over 11 for 1, Mandar 1 over 4 for 1, Shashank 1 over 6 for 1, Shreya 1 over 11. With a good economy, we have Sanjog 2 over 11, 1 over for Mandar, he got a 1 wicket. Sanjog, Mandar and Shashank has got 1 wicket. Shreya a bit expensive, and because of that they got the runs of 43 on the board. Also good bowling from Harshad, though he's not got the wicket, but he restricted something for the team. That's a fall of wickets you can see. 18 for 1, 24 for 3, 29 for 3, 36 for 4 and 43 for 5. छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं. जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025. It's a great initiative by BBN Network. Thank you very much. And also tenniscricket.in, a fantastic broadcasting है जारी. Khatak. So welcome back once again. सैटरडे की शाम है, क्रिकेट बस आपके नाम है, एंटरटेनमेंट है इनका काम. अब देखना होगा ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025 का अब छठा दिन अंतिम पड़ाव पर. एंड लेट्स सी द टारगेट ऑफ 44 टू चेस फॉर द टीम DX United. Okay, here we go. Umpires are ready. Fielders are ready. Are you ready? Let's. The energy is on. Excitement is on. Here we go. Game on. और इसको हल्के से ढकेल दिया कि फील्डर ने यहाँ पे प्रयास किया उसको. शुरुआत करेंगे यहाँ पर. एक रन से. आंचल ऑफ दिमाग ना संजोग. अच्छी फील्डिंग की है संजोग ने आज. देखना होगा बैटिंग. और इसको अच्छे से ढकेल दिया है. एक रन चुरा लिया है. बोथ द बैटर्स ऑफ दिमाग with a single. 2 गेंद 2 रन. कोई विकेट नहीं. 44 का लक्ष्य. That's played up and over. Only a single. So couple of good overs from the bowling team side. Digital. Crest Digital indeed. We get only a single. एंड डीएक्स यूनाइटेड अगर 2 ओवर बड़ा ओवर तो ये है आपका मैच. चार गेंद 4 रन. 40 रन की दरकार. 38 गेंद है बाकी. That's almost a runner ball for the team. DX United. So very good fielding side, batting side. Each and every ball, each and every run is important. Last ball of the first. Oh, chance high in the air and skipper अश्वनी. ऐसा लगा थोड़ा वो पहले ही आगे जा चुके थे और जैसा गेंद हवा में चली गई थोड़ा वापस पीछे आना पड़ा. इसीलिए थोड़ा जज नहीं कर पाए टाइम्ड. नहीं तो विकेट यहां पर मिल सकता था उनके हाथ में. ये गेंद लपक जाती थी. 1 ओवर के बाद 6 रन. कोई विकेट नहीं. 36 गेंदों में 38 रन की जरूरत है. Setting up something change in the field settings from Crest Digital, and we've seen that a very fantastic match. कैप्टन अश्विनी ने कहा था 30 रन्स को डिफेंड करूंगा और वो जो मैच डिफेंड किया था ड्रॉ चली गई थी पीएल पैंथर्स के साथ. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट सो फार. कुछ यहाँ पर फील्डिंग में बदलाव और देखना होगा. न्यू बॉलर कमिंग अप. मोहम्मद नाजिम will bowl the second over of this innings. Both the batters equal contribution. 3 of 3 they are batting and now single by Achal. Good placement, no run this time. Straight to the fielder at short cover. Great work. That's in the air and he drops it. Captain. It was a bit of low catch. And good attempt to take that, but luck in the favor of DX United. यहां पर कुछ प्रेशराइज करने की कोशिश की थी लेकिन कैच छूटा. सपना टूटा. और इस बार खेलने गए थे लेकिन टाइम नहीं कर पाए.
What a shot that was. मिड्स के रीजन में बेहतरीन मोमेंटम बरकरार रखा है टीम डीएक्स यूनाइटेड ने. दो ओवर के बाद 0 विकेट्स के नुकसान पर 10 रन होते हैं पूरे इनके. संजोग एंड अचल 44 का टारगेट है. It is possible to chase. They need 34 runs and just 30 deliveries. Couple of boundaries and they are there. It'll be 1 run declared. And Anirudh going to be starting up the second spell with the new ball in his hand. This match seems to be very exciting. Digital connection. देखते हैं कितना बल्ले से इनका कनेक्शन होता है इस गेंद से. What a shot at the covers. पंच किया है बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से. Will that be a catch? No. Again, 1 run declared from the umpire. If they So due to the overthrow, the team has taken another run here. 2 runs from this deliveries now. Aniruddha bowling really well. Well, this man really has got a good height, which really helps him in the good length. And from the where he releases the ball, रूम बनाया खुद के लिए संजोग ने. बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट. So I was talking about the height of this gentleman, Anirudh, which really helps him to get that line, which makes it a bit tough for the batsman to read, to play. And that's what really helped him to keep that last over. And after 3 overs, the score is 17 on the loss of 0. Well, 2025 has been really good in the history of cricket. I was talking, 2025 has been really good in the history of cricket for the Indian team as an audience, as a viewer, as a cricket lover. So talking about the IPL, RCB won this year. Indian men's team won a World Cup. We've got Indian women's team won a World Cup. So many happiness we've come across this year.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's gonna be a new revolution for all the spectators because, as we talked every time, Manish, that cricket is not a gentleman games anymore. It's a everyone's game now.
And one more thing, ये 3 matches की तो मैंने बात कर ली. What a beautiful shot will that be in the... Oh, that's no mistakes done by this gentleman. What a wicket! Captain in his form. Ashwini, my man. All the way from Delhi. यार ये दिल्ली वाले हैं, जब शाम होती है तो एनर्जेटिक अपने आप हो जाते हैं.
Yes, बिल्कुल. चक दे फटे नब्दे गिल्ली, सुबह जलंधर, शाम को दिल्ली.
Of course. Yes, I was talking about the matches, the RCB winning in 2025, Indian men's team winning the World Cup, Indian women's team winning the World Cup, and PIL Panthers winning against Clean Max. Oh my God, what a game that was.
Yes, absolutely. Best versus best.
And what a great shot by this girl, Akshaya. And declared to be an out. As a run out. All right. So people, we've got energetic Harshad HD. Energetic HD gonna be going on the non-strikers and discussing few things with Achal. This man could turn the game. He has that caliber. He has that capability. He knows how to take the responsibility when it comes to this game.
Yes,
for this
and
team.
and that one big over needed because the equation is not so high, but still, we have seen Crest Digital. Oh, very close to the stumps. Excellent bowling. Missed it completely. Could be the chance for the one more wicket. We are seeing
I told you, मौसम बन रहा है. अश्विनी जी का कमाल निखर के आ रहा है अभी.
इस बार जोरदार प्रहार स्मैश कर दिया है, वापस भेज दिया है. यहाँ पर खतरा हो सकता है, लेकिन he didn't collect that ball.
Holy. You know the beautiful thing about this over? 2 wickets. Just 1 run in 4 deliveries. Oh, will that be a catch? Nobody's there. That will be... I could see this man.
यस, यहाँ पे कोशिश जरूर की थी, लेकिन बॉल को जाना था अपने डेस्टिनेशन. 4 रन.
Ashwini was really not happy with what happened right now, because so far he had a best over of this inning.
And as you well said, Manish, that energetic HD is there, not to worry for the team, but there is something mix up. What is happening here?
काफी miscoordination यहाँ पर team के बीच.
And it's happening, and it happens, Manish, because you're playing an eliminator game. वो
Knockout
कहते हैं
game.
करो या मरो का स्थिति है आज. जो जीता वो सिकंदर. 4 ओवर 23 पे 2, 3 ओवर में चाहिए 21 runs. That's every over 7 runs.
Absolutely. But that over was really good. But क्षमता है energetic HD में इस गेम को अपने खेमे में लाने की.
फिलहाल जिस प्रकार से आंचल बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, 10 of 11 बॉल्स, पारी को संभाला है मनीष आंचल ने, और एनर्जेटिक एचडी उनका साथ दे रहे हैं. तो ये जो पार्टनरशिप है, क्या बरकरार रखेंगे अपने जीत के लिए? क्या यहां पर देखना होगा. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल 2 coming 2 overs, will they try to defend with low scoring runs? Let's see. Straight up in the air. Oh, he drops it and sixer. And that's the equation will get closer more. Try to take that catch. Here you can see the action replay. Very good attempt by the fielder, but that will go all the way for 6.
DX United डिजिटल कनेक्शन का कनेक्शन हो रहा है बल्ले के साथ. बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes, absolutely. Very well said. और मिला है यहाँ पर 6. No panic, just classics. 6 runs, all going automatic. और एक जोरदार प्रहार सीधे फील्डर के पास. It's almost a runner ball. 14 runs in 15 balls, but still you cannot say who will win this match. अभी भी 50% दोनों टीम संभावना जीत की, तैयारी है जीत की. बड़ी अपील यहाँ पर. हल्के से ढकेलना चाहते थे पॉइंट की दिशा में, कवर की दिशा में. टोटली बीट हो गए. 14 गेंद और 14 रन की जरूरत. एक और किफायती ओवर. कोशिश करेंगे क्रेस्ट डिजिटल डिफेंड करने को, और अगर एक बड़ा हिट मारते हैं तो एक रिलीज्ड द प्रेशर आउट. Let's see what DX United can do. हल्के से ढकेल दिया है. यहाँ पे मिलेगा 1 रन. So no need to go for some big hittings, Manish, as of now, because run a ball, easy 13 ball, 13 runs.
Of course, man. Nazeem is the best bowler. What a comeback he has made after that 6. No room, no space given.
Yeah, that's a better delivery and bowling at the fuller length. Good placement. And is that end of the over? 1 run. So 12 needed from 12 balls. 5 over 32 पे 2.
Last 2 remainings of this inning. 13 runs, 13 ball.
Or we wait for the confirmation. Is that the end of the over? Still 1 ball, something? Question to the umpire. We're waiting for that confirmation. Umpire checking. But it's all happening here at the day 6 of the Brookfield Premier League 2025 in season 5. What an excitement, what a journey we had till now. And tomorrow will be the finale day of this tournament. Will be coming out the 3 matches left of the other qualifier rounds remaining. Already the PIL Panthers, the finalist. And let's see what's the umpire's call. So single, 12 runs and 12 balls. 12 गेंदों में 12 रन की जरूरत है. ओवर की समाप्ति 5 ओवर के बाद 32 पे 2. 12 runs in 12 balls. तो यहां पर कौन जीतेगा दोस्तों? जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा। That's cut away nicely straight to the field. A bit of misfield. Will the comeback? What to do? Going for two. Dhulak hit. Could be the chance. What's the umpire's call? Square leg. Refer to the third umpire. This is absolutely. The match is going towards one more nail biting. And let's see what's the third umpire's confirmation. Still, the confirmation is that totally bails are off. That's the big question, the big work for the third umpire.
Well, I want to see this. Beat our third umpire. Beat our ground umpires. My brother, they come with an experience of more than 3 decades. They've played thousands of matches since their childhood. Let our umpire decide that. And I'm sure Brookfield Premier League is all about fairness. It's all about the accuracy that we maintain in the decisions. Very close call. And this credit of analyzing it so closely goes to our broadcasting team. Can we have a big hand for tenniscricket.in? Come on, people.
Yes, who?
They are the reason we are able to see it so closely. अब खुश तो वो होगा ना जिसके पक्ष में वो डिसीजन जाएगा.
And that's the final confirmation is we can see on the big screen what's the umpire has referred. That's out or still on. Let's see. Yes, that is out, and now 11 ball, 11 runs.
Okay, let's continue with the game.
So the crucial moment, and they got a crucial wicket. A good throw by Vivek Upadhyay. That's smashed. That's being smashed at square leg. Only a single. 10 gain or 10 run. Run a ball, not an easy task. It looks very easy. But ये टर्फ क्रिकेट है तो टफ तो होगा ही. भेज दिया है सीधे आर पार. मिलेंगे या दौड़ लगानी पड़ेगी. और यहां पर क्या हो रहा है? 9 runs in 9 balls. It's all happening here. Oh, it's and gone! One more
Oh
wicket,
my
Manish. Captain is taking that fully charged.
Ashwini, he has got some magic spells, man.
Yeah, absolutely. He is the only man that he can change the course of the match. And what he's doing right now, the same for the team. ये है क्रिकेट का खेल, कभी खुशी कभी गम. अब देखना होगा कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम. Either DX United और Crest Digital. बने रहिए. 8 गेंद बचे हैं, 9 रन बाकी. खेल का रंग रूप है बाकी, जीत है बाकी, उत्साह और जोश उमंग है बाकी. Into the block. Oh, what a stop there! What a stop! Absolutely fantastic.
Ashwini, my man. The man who's leading from the front to his team. ये अब मैच का ऐसा दौर है जहां पर आप नहीं बता सकते कि कौन सी टीम जीतने वाली है मेरे भाई. Ritesh, why don't you join me ahead? Come on. Beautiful shot. Will that be a wicket? Yes. Oh my God. I could see that energy in them. That was the last spell of this over. Ashwini taking 3 beautiful wickets in this inning. DX United seems to be stressed. Well, it's still. Oh my God! I don't know how they will this going to be, because you know this is what has been really happening since past couple of matches. People think, yeah, we've got the last wicket that girl is going to put, and we've got, oh my God, we've got the game changer right here, Kritika Sharma. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आखिरी ओवर. Oh, holy, she knows the game. What a bowling, Kritika. अब चाहिए 5 गेंदों में महज 9 रन. महज 5 गेंदों में 9 रन की दरकार. Oh my God, just waiting for umpire's call. Transferred to third, umpire.
This is like the nail-biting finish, holding the nerves. Both the teams, Digital Connection, aka DX United, and on the other side we have Crest Digital. बहुत ही मैच को पूरी तरह से रोमांचक कर दिया है, अचंभित कर दिया है. और अब देखना होगा that confirmation.
Well, waiting for the umpire's decision. Well, जब तक close call नहीं होता है, I've been seeing this, Rajendra sir, Deva sir, they never transfer it to third umpire. राजेंद्र हो, जितेंद्र हो, स्टाइल है सर के अंदर यार. स्टाइल है. Just look at the way he's standing. Oh my God. Look at our umpire, man. I love his style. Oh my God, his smile, his aura. He's got that energy, man. Waiting for the decision.
And this decision will change the course of the match. Let's see. Everyone is waiting. Dil dhak dhak hai. Holding the nerves. DX United waiting. Crest Digital. Heart beating. Tension is rising.
क्या लगता है मंदार? टेंशन आ रहा है मेरे भाई. Too tense. क्या लगता है? How? Because Kritika, one side, she's been doing fantastic in this whole. And oh my god! Oh my god! That's a noble. जान में जाना ही थोड़ी सी. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. The ball has been registered. We say homologated in beyond the stumps, beyond the lines of the stumps.
And coming up the free hit ball right now. So Manish.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh, what is happening? That's a beautiful sixer. Oh my god. Mandar seems to be tense. Bro, what happened? How's it going now? अच्छा अभी थोड़ा और अभी तो हाथ में है मेरे भाई. Don't worry.
Yes, they need 2 runs. 4 balls left. And this can be the winning shot. Let's see. और इस बार खेल दिया है हाथ में, लेकिन अभी भी मैच बाकी है. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल ऐसे ही जाने नहीं देंगे इस मैच को. 3 गेंदों में 2 रन की दरकार है. और जिस प्रकार से बल्लेबाजी की है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर आंचल. वेरी वेल प्लेड. 24 of 90 with 2 sixes. And I am still holding my nose. Tension rising. It's 2 runs and 3 balls. It's all on Kritika Sharma. Her expertise in bowling. She got 2 back-to-back player of the match. And now it's time to showcase one more magical bowling. Oh, bit of in the air, safe there, looking for that run. Only a single. The scores are level. 2 गेंद, 1 रन की जरूरत है. पूरी तरह से मैच को रोमांचक कर दिया है, माहौल बना दिया है. 1 रन की दरकार, 2 गेंदें बाकी. और देखना होगा इसी प्रकार से इस मैच को जीत लिया है DX United.
आ जाओ champions. There was a nail-biting match.
Yes, absolutely. The nail-biting finish. DX United clinched the victory from Crest Digital and they won by 4 wickets. The man who had controlled the innings, Achal, 24 of 90 with 2 sixes. And yes, he is a reason for the match winning of this eliminator round. But good performance from Crest Digital. The journey ended for this season, but you have to come strong